everybody, TVM back with another video. Today we are going to be playing Never Have I Ever Part 2 with none other than Caillou.
Ew, boogers!
Caillou, stop picking your nose, you're live.
Huh? Oh, hi everyone!
Carl Wheezer. Carl? Carl.
I'm awake!
And Spongebob.
Hey, everybody!
Thank you for being ready, Spongebob.
Oh, Vincent, I'm always ready!
Alright, so we got 5 Never Have I Ever questions. If you raise your paper and it says have, you have to explain your side of the story. Got it?
Got it!
This is going to be fun.
First one. Never have I ever eaten a bug. What bug did you have to eat, Carl?
Well, one time I was camping with Jenny and Sheen, and we were having lunch. So I thought I was eating chocolate raisins when really I was eating a beetle.
That's not funny.
It was so disgusting. I could still taste it in my mouth.
Well, I'm glad I'm not you. Second question. Never have I ever made a wish upon a shooting star. Wow, you all have. Pretty cool. Well, it's up to you if you want to tell me or not. I know it's a secret.
I wished for more Krabby Patties.
I wished for a taco truck!
I wish to go to the school dance with Jenny's mom.
This is getting weirder by the minute. Third question. Never have I ever built a sandcastle. All right, Caillou, you go first.
Okay, here's how it went down. Me and Rosie were making sandcastles on the beach. Then some people said hers was a lot better. I got really mad, so I stomped it to the ground. Next thing you know, Rosie starts crying and tells on me. Then all of a sudden, Mommy comes up to me and says,
"You're going in timeout, Caillou."
and I say, Mommy!
That's quite the story, Caillou.
Yeah, quite the story.
That was scary.
How about you, SpongeBob?
Well, since you asked so kindly, me and Patrick built a life-size sandcastle for all of Bikini Bottom to live in. And that's not even the best part. We built a Krusty Krab inside!
That's pretty epic.
Yeah, it sure was. Until Plankton decided to tear it down because he wasn't receiving any customers and got very, very jealous.
Wow. Fourth question. Never have I ever tried a food I thought I didn't like, but ended up loving. Okay, everyone needs to tell me this right now. I want to know. You go first, Carl.
It was croissant.
Yeah, I think we already knew that, Carl. What about you, SpongeBob?
For me, it was shrimp.
Ew, I don't like shrimp.
Shrimp is not bad. How about you, Caillou?
Mine was pickles.
Pickles are not bad, too.
I like pickles.
I would never eat a pickle in my life. No way.
You don't like pickles, SpongeBob?
I hate pickles so much, I will hunt down every pickle I see and throw them all away.
Okay, then. Fifth and final question. Never have I ever played a game of hide and seek. That shouldn't even be a question.
Hide and seek, everyone has played it.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Caillou.
What?
way, not again.
Mommy, what are you doing here?
We never finished our game of hide and seek. And guess what? I found you.
Mommy!